Planes in the sky. People are walking, talking, laughing. Nothing seems unusual. The Earth is spinning at over 1,600 kilometers per hour at the equator, but no one feels it. Everything moves together. Everything feels stable. And then it happens. The Earth stops rotating. For 5 seconds. No warning. No sound. No time to react. In the first second, nothing seems wrong, but physics has already broken. The ground stops. Everything else does not. The atmosphere keeps moving at extreme speed. People outside are suddenly thrown sideways by the momentum they didn't even realize they had. Cars jerk forward violently. Windows explode outward. Loose objects turn into deadly projectiles in an instant. This is not an explosion. It is the world continuing to move, while the ground refuses to follow. In the second and third second, reality starts to fall apart. Wind, speeds near the surface, rise beyond anything humans have ever experienced. Roofs are ripped from buildings. Trees are torn out of the ground, like they were never anchored. Entire streets are filled with flying debris. Airplanes lose stability as the atmosphere itself becomes chaotic and broken. And the oceans begin to react. Water does not stop. It cannot stop. Massive waves begin forming far out at sea. Silent at first, but unstoppable. In the fourth second, the disaster reaches its peak. Coastal regions are hit by walls of water moving faster than any tsunami in recorded history. Entire cities vanish under impact and flooding in moments. Ships are thrown inland like they weigh nothing. Ports collapse. Infrastructure fails across entire continents at once. The world is no longer functioning. It is reacting violently. And then the 5 seconds end. The Earth starts spinning again. But nothing is aligned anymore. The restart creates a second wave of destruction. Structures that were already damaged finally collapse. Flooded cities are hit again by returning water movement. Fires spread through broken infrastructure without control. And for a moment, everything is still in chaos. No one understands what just happened, but everyone feels it. Within the first hour, communication begins to break down across large parts of the world. Entire cities are isolated. Coastal megacities suffer the worst destruction due to flooding and debris impact. Emergency systems are overwhelmed or completely disabled in many regions. Panic spreads faster than information. People don't know what caused it. Some think it was an earthquake. Some think it was war. But the truth is far worse. The planet itself stopped. Within 24 hours, the scale becomes clearer. Transportation systems are destroyed in multiple regions. Food distribution begins to collapse. Water systems in many cities are damaged or contaminated. Air travel is suspended globally due to unstable atmospheric conditions. Millions of people are affected immediately, especially in densely populated coastal areas. Human civilization does not end completely, but it is no longer stable. It is fighting to survive. And all of this destruction came from just 5 seconds. 5 seconds that should mean nothing. But on a moving planet, even 5 seconds is enough to change everything forever.